zip, jingly sound, 1 zipper, 2, 3. This part feels bumpy. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use a simple diaper bag to help your toddler learn new words. Sometimes you'll find yourself in a place where you're in a waiting room at the doctor and there's no toys for kids. You need something to occupy them, but you also want to make it into like a learning experience. I'm going to share with you how you can use this blueprint that's free on my website to help them to learn a ton of new words while you're just sitting there waiting, so you can make the most of your time. I'm Adrienne, and I'm a speech-language pathologist, and I help parents like you feel more confident and excited to make tiny tweaks to your daily life to transform mundane things into engaging learning experiences for your toddler. You can use this with any diaper bag. Most diaper bags have zippers on them or straps and things like that, so this should apply to whatever kind of diaper bag that you have. In quadrant 1, we're going to surround it with words. So when you look at this diaper bag, what do you notice? Like, you might just think it's a diaper bag. What else is there to talk about? There's so many things that we can talk about, and I'm going to show you how to look at it from different angles and create a language-rich experience for your toddler so that they start to learn that this bag has a lot of different parts and components, and there's names for all those parts and components. So first, let's surround it with words. So first we would think, what is it? It's a diaper bag. Where is it? It's on my lap. It's on your lap. It's on the floor. It's on the chair next to us. They're learning location words. What sound does it make? It kind of makes a jingly sound. It has a zip sound. Zip. What parts does it have? It has a top, bottom, straps, zipper, pocket, inside, outside. Who does it belong to? Me. It's my diaper bag. What does it rhyme with? Try to do some rhyming words with the word diaper. So you could say diaper rhymes with wiper. There's wipers on our car, windshield wipers. So you're pairing rhyming words together. Another thing you could rhyme would be bag. So what rhymes with bag? Tag. Is there a tag on this bag? So you're introducing some rhyming words that's really going to help them to understand that different sounds, if you tweak it, make a whole different word. So bag sounds like tag, but they're different. So then we'll move down to the quadrant simple phrases. You can see it on this paper. We started here and we're going to simple phrases. You start with I see, and you can move to I see, I hear, it smells, it tastes, it feels, I can. So we'll start with I see. I see your water bottle. I see what's in here. A change of clothes, my wallet, a book, a blanket. I hear a diaper crinkling. It smells like lotion, smells like hand sanitizer. So then you can talk about what it feels like. It feels smooth. It's got little bumps on it. The leathery texture. It's smooth. The zipper is smooth. This part feels bumpy on the zipper. It's bumpy, smooth, and then the straps are smooth also. They kind of feel like a seatbelt. And you can do the phrase it can. So it can zip open and shut. It can be held by the handle. It can be held by the straps. It can adjust. These straps can adjust. It can have these longer straps put onto it so you can carry it like a messenger bag. So you can it can become a different kind of bag. It has these little straps that hook onto the stroller, so it can stay on the stroller with these straps. It can go on my back like a backpack. I can hold it with my hand. So you're introducing some simple phrases to your toddler. You can use a phrase like I like how smooth and buttery the zipper zip. It just glides along. I like how it glides. The zipper glides really easily. I like how there's a pocket in the back of it that goes all the way down, so you can put like a piece of paper or a folder in the back. I like how there's a pocket here that goes sideways like this, and it has all this room. What else do I like about this bag? I like that there's a pocket in the front where I can just slip my phone in there. I like that I can keep things safe in here. I like that it fits so much on the inside. It's a huge bag on the inside, but I also like that it's lightweight. See how much language you're teaching your toddler by just describing the diaper bag? And it's so simple. Like, this is probably something that you have with you a lot. Another phrase you can incorporate is we need. So what do we need? Oh, we need to reload some more diapers in here and switch out the change of clothes since we had to change your clothes when we were out and about. So we talk about we need. You could talk about we need to refill the water bottles when we get home because we are so thirsty today. Then we move to the next quadrant. Look at it with fresh eyes. So pretend that you were just seeing a diaper bag for the very first time. You had never seen a diaper bag before. What's fascinating about it? Well, there are different ways that you can use the straps. There's insulated pockets on the inside. You can talk about what insulation means. So you could keep water bottles or bottles warm or cool inside the insulated pockets. So then you can talk about the next question on the blueprint here is, what is it made out of? And this is like leather. I think it's not real leather, but it looks like leather. So you can talk about what it's made out of. The inside is more, it has like some mesh pockets in there. You can see at the bottom. This part is more of a plasticky fabric here. And then it has zippers on it. It has little handles for the zippers. This back part is made out of kind of like a seat belt strap type strap. So you can say, I wonder if this is the same kind of seat belt that's in the car. It's smaller, so you can do some comparing and contrasting. What is it used for? It's used for carrying all the things that we need to bring with us when we go out of the house. And then think about, can it do something unexpected or silly? Well, you can make, I think this kind of looks like a mouth, and it can chomp things. So if you have something to put into it, you can chomp, chomp, chomp. So what you can do is if you have something inside of there, you can hand it to your child and say, can you feed the diaper bag? Let's feed it. Ready? So just think of something creative and interesting that you can do with it that they wouldn't expect for you to do with a diaper bag. The next section is fun because it's called Ponder Out Loud. So I wonder who designed this diaper bag? Who made it? Who sewed together the pieces? Who put the zippers on? How did that work? Do they do this in small batches? Do they make them in a factory? I wonder how it's made. You can say, I wonder what else could fit in here. Could I put some slippers in here? Would shoes fit in there? Could I fit a pillow in here? Could a chair fit inside of here? What about our car? Do you think we could put our car in there? No, that's way too big. What about a toy car? Could we put that in there? Yeah, it would fit. It's small enough. So you're talking about sizes and just being silly. Could we fit a trash can in here? No. Could we fit a microwave in here? What about a refrigerator? No, those are all too big. Could we fit a rock in there? Yeah, that would fit. Which pocket would a rock fit into? And then you could talk about the different size pockets and which size would be appropriate for different items of different sizes. Then you can talk about things like, I wonder why. So I wonder why, and then you look at the item and you're like, oh, I wonder why the stitching right here, it's straight along this edge and then it makes a triangle. I wonder why they do that. I wonder why this stitching has an X on it. Maybe that reinforces the stitching, and then you can talk about what reinforcing means. That makes it stronger. When you reinforce something, it makes it stronger. And then you could talk about, I wonder how. So I wonder how many zippers this bag has. Seems like a lot of zippers when you listen to it. So 1, then you can count them. 1 zipper, 2, 3, 4 on top, 5. Then there's zippers on the inside. 6, 7. There's 7 zippers on this bag. Wow. There might even be more. And if you have little bags, like a wet bag or something, there's another zipper inside of there. So 7 or 8 zippers. That's a lot of zippers on a bag. So there you have it. We've walked all the way through the blueprint. Some words that your toddler will have learned in this time together with you is diaper bag, lap, chair, zip, top, bottom, zipper, pocket, inside, outside, wiper, tag, water bottle, crinkling, lotion, bumpy, open, shut, reload with more diapers, straps, insulated pockets, pleather, talk about seat belts. They're learning all these new words in the context of something they see every single day, like a diaper bag that you carry with you. You learn different words like texture words, size, big, little, too big, too little, stitching. You learn the word reinforced. So just by using something as simple as a diaper bag, there's so many ways that you can look at it from all different angles that infuse language skills into it. So you're learning new things, and kids at the toddler stage soak things up like a sponge, which is why I really love sharing new strategies on how you can look at things in a different way to help them learn how to say more words. This will help their vocabulary just increase so much, and it will also help them make connections. Like, remember when I said diaper rhymes with wiper? Remember, we have wipers on our car, so you're making connections in real life to real tangible things that they already know about, so they're learning new things by attaching them to things that they already understand. By the way, I love this diaper bag, and I'll put the link to this exact one in the description of this video, so if you want to check it out. It's really big but lightweight, and it has tons of pockets. It's really well made, and it's comfortable to wear on your shoulders. So I love this one, and you can check it out in that link. Head over to my website to download this blueprint for free, so you can just take it, you can laminate it and write on it with dry erase, or you can print it out each time you want to do a different object. So in this one, I just put diaper bag in the middle here, so you can see. And then I filled it out ahead of time so that I could just be ready and brainstorm. So you could just do this while you're sitting and, waiting on something. You can just fill it out real quickly for something and focus on one object that you can really surround with language. If this video was helpful, share it with a friend who has a toddler, and go ahead and give it a thumbs up so that I know that you like this type of video. And comment below, do you have a diaper bag? Could you use this kind of activity with your diaper bag? Are you going to try it out? Let me know. And if this is your first time seeing videos about my blueprint, I recommend going back and watching the whole playlist of videos that I talk about how to use the blueprint with tissues and fall leaves. So go check those videos out next. Go to learnwithadrienne.com and download this, and I'll see you in the next video. I make videos and online classes to teach you techniques that help your toddler talk clearly, listen well, and gain life skills. I also teach a sign language class for beginners. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can see the new videos I post on Tuesdays.